If you are overweight, losing weight can be important because healthy body weight is essential to maintain good health. However, losing weight is not just about being slim. It is primarily about being fit and leading a healthy lifestyle. Being overweight or obese may cause many health issues. Similarly, losing weight rapidly is going to cost you your mental and physical health. For example, obesity might lead to diseases such as hypertension and diabetes. Therefore, weight loss may be crucial for obese people. People try various methods of losing weight drastically. However, losing weight slowly and over a period is much healthier. It comes with fewer health risks than drastic weight loss. Severe weight loss can lead to some health complications. Additionally, it can be hard to maintain. 1. Muscle loss. Losing weight and losing fat are two very different things. Losing weight may not always be the same as losing fat. Although following a very low-calorie diet, VLCD, helps you lose weight fast, it can result from muscle and water loss. According to research, following a very low-calorie diet can deplete body mass. Furthermore, following a VLCD comes with some risks like muscle loss. 2. Metabolic changes. Your metabolic activity plays an essential role in weight loss. Your metabolism determines how many calories you burn each day. In addition, metabolism helps convert the food you consume into energy. Therefore, having a fast metabolism helps burn more calories, resulting in quick weight loss. According to a study, losing weight by eating fewer calories may cause you to burn 23% fewer calories per day. That is because your body experiences a drop in metabolic rate. It may result from a change in hormonal balance. Furthermore, a reduced metabolic rate will result in weight regain. 3. Nutrient deficiencies. Usually, people trying to lose drastic weight tend to skip meals, which causes nutrient deficiencies. While on a low-calorie diet, consuming essential nutrients like folate, B12, and iron can be very hard. A deficiency of essential nutrients causes fatigue, hair loss, anemia, weakened bones, and poor immune function. Therefore, you should add more unprocessed, raw foods to fulfill these deficiencies. You will also have to add supplements to your diet in severe conditions. However, do not start on supplements without a dietitian's advice. 4. Gallstone formation. Gallstones are stone-like formations that develop due to undissolved cholesterol in the gallbladder. They can cause severe pain and cramps in the abdomen. According to research, losing weight drastically and rapidly can be a leading cause of gallstone formation. The gallbladder aids in the digestion of fatty foods. When you are not eating enough food, these digestive juices form gallstones. 5. Dehydration. Rapid weight loss is usually a result of reducing water weight or water loss. According to research, following diets that help reduce weight rapidly can lead to severe dehydration. It will cause symptoms like constipation. It can also lead to severe conditions like kidney stones or impaired kidney function. 6. Electrolyte imbalance. The human body continuously adapts to minor changes to operating smoothly. But any extreme change might disrupt the body's reaction to biological stress, majorly electrolyte balance. Electrolytes play a significant role in running bodily functions. They help the muscles contract and relax and also regulate heartbeats. Sudden changes in the diet can affect mineral intake, disturbing the electrolytes. It may lead to cardiovascular irregularities and put other organs at risk. However, the heart is at significant risk. Therefore, an electrolyte imbalance due to drastic weight loss increases a heart attack risk. 7. Fatigue. Following a crash diet can help you lose weight pretty quickly. But the extreme calorie deficit makes it difficult for the body to function normally. It can cause severe fatigue. As a result, it may increase the risk of fainting under minimum stress. Other symptoms include irritability, feeling cold, muscle cramps, dizziness, constipation. It might also force you to go back to the original diet. As a result, you will find it challenging to maintain the lost weight.
Please click on the link below the video to watch the full content. If you are interested,